maybe we set it up for French style for the drive-thru. That way it's two completely different things. But
yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm asking.
Definitely, yeah. Unless they're willing to just drink the one life,
Tell them what French style is.
Is that a real customer?
Yeah.
Tell them what French style is.
Strawberry
French styles.
protein shake.
Oh, what do you? We do a lot of protein shakes for sure.
Okay.
What kind of makeup are you?
French style is maybe even a little worse than bird style. French
Worse?
style. It's possible. Depends
And
on
after it's all over your face.
Huh?
And after you do French style, it should like be all
get
over your face.
You wanted the French style, right? The French style is the last minute.
Oh God.
So if the mouth is in the coffee
Cody,
while
you
that's
can use my
happening and
camera
it's
too
splattering up on.
drive-up shot.
I suppose you could alternate bird style, French style, bird
You
style,
could,
French style.
but if we do the French style, do the drive-through up, and I'm at the window serving
his
them
face, though, because we're gonna want his
That's a whole
face doing the
different scene.
licking.
We'll have to do a pickup. I'll go outside
gotcha.
and film him doing it.
Oh,
Just put it
okay.
in the video.
Okay.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, and then from here you'll get their face really good.
People are going to be like, "What the heck
Let me see.
are you doing?
Oh, that's great.
What is Jack doing? How is he demonstrating here?"
That's the Instagram.
Yeah, for sure. You know, that's like one of those posts where you got to have people guess what's going on or something like. Fill in the
Caption.
Put a
Caption the
caption. Yeah.
pic.
Yeah,
people like
exactly.
Are you mic'd up?
Not yet. No.
Are you mic'd up?
Oh,
No. We're still setting up.
guess you got a mug this time.
Oh, thank you.
It'll be so good at the window.
What?
So good at the window.
Oh, it would be so funny.
I think they speed up.
So.
Well, the good thing is you're
Yeah.
going to
Can I come back to my part family today?
get your
So keep in mind that the first drink doesn't even have to be made.